mga gabay, so I'm here now at Sorsogon Boulevard. So we are now moving to Nature's Spring Resort down to Irosin for overnight swimming with my family friend. So later on gagawa tayo ng okay mga kagabay, so after 2 hours ride from Daraga, so we arrive now here at Nature's Spring Resort. Irosin, Sorsogon, blessed with abundant source of water. It is also claimed as resort capital of Bicol. These are the wellness resort where some has sulfuric water and is a medicinal that can cure skin diseases and recommended as a therapeutic from people with arthritis and high blood pressure. Okay, so ito ang aming room for overnight stay. So one night, so ito ang aming room. So this is the family room. Approximate mga 10 to 12 person ang pwede makapasok. So maluluwag yung kama nila. Nature's Spring Resort is one of the wellness resorts in the town of Irosin with hot and cold spring water. Nature's Spring Resort is a place where both children and adults experience the natural water with hot and cold swimming pool and private pool. With warm accommodation, a spectacular view with perfect blend of modern and natural beauty. This is your virtual tour guide, Froilan Oragon. Thank you for watching.